Hi guys, I'm sure you've been wondering what will happen if you press and hold this button while the vehicle is in motion. Right now we'll show you. Alright guys, we are driving right now and let's pull this button. And this is what happened, guys. The vehicle starts to brake really rapidly. When you pull this button, this will allow you to stop the car, but keep in mind that the braking is going to be sharp. This can be useful, guys, if the driver loses consciousness, for example. You as the passenger will be able to pull the button and slow down and stop the vehicle this way. I would like to also point out that we have tested this system in winter as well, and the result was a little bit different. The braking distance was longer, and the braking in general did not feel as sharp. So please keep in mind that different weather and road conditions will give us different results when you use electric parking brake to stop the vehicle. As they go in 40, 50. Let's do it. The vehicle comes to a stop. As we said, we didn't use a regular brake, we only use a button. Keep in mind, today is snowing, that's why the road is icy. Now, since the emergency brake is currently being applied, to keep going we'll have to tap the gas pedal, and only after that the vehicle starts moving.